Ready to unlock the secrets to YouTube success with data? First, head over to Looker Studio and click the big, inviting Create button. Next, you'll want to connect your YouTube data. Choose YouTube Analytics from the list of data source options. Give Looker Studio permission to access your YouTube Analytics account by clicking Authorize and selecting the correct Google account. Now for the fun part, let's start by adding a table to display key metrics like views, impressions, click-through rate, and watch time. Drag these fields from the right-hand panel into the table. To visualize trends, insert a time series chart. This will help you see how your metrics are changing over time. Drag the date field to the z-axis and views to the y-axis. This gives you a clear picture of your view performance across different periods. Enhance your report with filters. Add a filter based on video title, allowing you to analyze individual video performance and refine your SEO strategy. And there you have it, a basic but powerful YouTube SEO report in Looker Studio. Customize it further with additional metrics and visualizations to gain deeper insights and boost your channel's visibility.